Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to create and change the status of a shipment, a warehouse packages, and load units. For example, we're going to go here in configuration. We're going to click on status, and then here it's going to list you all of your status. To create a new status, we're going to come down here, and then we're going to click on this blue button that says new status. Once you're here, it's going to ask you for the status name. For example, we could say it is being shipped. It's being shipped out. It's 30% from reaching the customer. The description: the items have been shipped out. Place where it occurs, we could say it is out of the warehouse. We can search for a city, for example, Miami, Florida. And then here, this completion status just means if this status basically means if it's the end of a package, warehouse, or whatever you need to change your status from. As of right now, it's a no. But let's say if it was, you just click on it and then it'll change to yes. Then once you're done, we're going to click here on create. And once you've created, it's going to pull up here to this to the list of all the statuses we've created, and it's going to be down here where it says shipped out. The items have been shipped out of warehouse. And then I'm going to do the example with a warehouse receipt. We're going to go on warehouse receipts. We're going to click on list. We're going to click on the first warehouse receipt. And then once you're here, to change the status, we're going to go to status, new status. And then here you can change the status. We could say, oh, the date, the status, it was shipped out from Miami, Florida. The items have been shipped out. You click create, and the status has been created. Another cool thing about changing your status is that whoever is being shipped out to, they're gonna get either an email receipt, email notification that the warehouse receipt has been shipped out, or a WhatsApp notification. Thank you for watching.